guys, welcome to Dubrovnik. We are in Croatia. We arrived a little while ago and this is our view. It's so pretty. This place is unbelievably beautiful. So we're going to find a beach now and keep watching if you want to come on holiday with us to Croatia. We just attempted our first swim of the holiday and it was freezing. First drink. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
You don't like it. We're at the Copacabana beach bar. And this is our view. We're on the way to get some groceries now, and then we're going back into Old Town for some dinner. We're busy looking for a place to eat now, and we're just in awe of how beautiful this place is. It feels like you're in another world. It's amazing.
We always did that too.
The size of my head. Yeah, that's so cute. So we've just come home from our first dinner and it was so nice. We ended up eating at a place in the Old Town, which ended up being so yummy and so nice. But before we found this place, we tried a different place just outside of the Old Town, because it looked really pretty and it had like beautiful lights. And then we got there and we asked for a table and they couldn't seat us upstairs because it was full. So we managed to get a seat downstairs, and then we didn't look at the menu before we went inside. The first thing the waiter came to ask us is, would we like Prosecco?
Yeah, we want Prosecco.
We were like, can we just have the menu first? And then we asked he said, would you like some water? So we said, could we, but he said, still or sparkling? So we said, could we please have some tap water? And he said, we don't sell tap water here. So we ended up ordering a bottle of still water, and then we asked for the bill. It was too expensive. Moral of the story is, look at the menu before you go to a restaurant. This was a lot funnier when we on the way home.
Maybe it's like a story for like your friends.
Anyway, it's been a really nice evening. Good morning from our second day. We are walking now to Gru's port to see if we can book a ferry to Split for Tuesday, and had a beautiful breakfast on our little balcony, which was so nice. And the yogurt in Europe is just so much nicer than in London, and the honey as well. just got some slush puppies. Very sweet. We're on the way to our dinner, and we've got blue tongues and blue teeth from the bubble gum we're eating. But we're going to this place called Cave Bar Mall, and it's a restaurant or a bar in these caves, and apparently it's really cool. So we're really excited. It's so pretty. What?
Okay.
Very cool.
Let's do the basil.
Good morning and happy Monday. We're on our way to the buses now because we're going to be kayaking today. It's a beautiful day again. We've got our bus tickets to get to Old Town. So that's Lockram Island,
I think so, yeah.
we think. So we think we're kayaking there. Then we're doing the city walls. We think those are our kayaks. I'm a little bit nervous. To this cave now, and it's really cool, and the water is like turquoise and it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's insane, and my arms are dead. Post kayak lunch. Kayaking absolutely killed us. We are exhausted. Now we're waiting to buy tickets, bus tickets. The line is so long. Got a water watermelon cider. Do you like it? No, not really. We've come to the water. We've just picked a place near our Airbnb to come and have some leftover pizza or a nice sunset dinner with some drinks. And it's just so calming and so beautiful. This is my favorite time of day. Sunset. Good morning. It is 6:15. We've had a very, very early start to the morning because we're getting on this ferry to go to Split. Yay! We have arrived in Split. And that's not what we were expecting. We've got really shitty accommodation. Pedro's trying to make me look on the bright side, but I'm struggling. So we've come to have a drink, hopefully turn this around, swim in the sea, make the most of it. Okay, we're on our way to find some lunch now. Our first night in Split, and we are going to find some ice cream before going back home and getting into bed because we are waking up early again to get on a ferry to go to Brach, the island Brach. Brach. Gotta give it some flavor. I've got a chocolate cone, and you've got panna cotta with caramel. The ice cream here is so creamy, it is amazing. We found the really cool side of Split, and we're really sad that we aren't staying anywhere nearby it. But we know for next time. Good morning and happy Wednesday. We're making our way to the ferries now. We're getting a ferry to Brach, and we're going to spend the day on that island just exploring it and swimming. We have arrived in Brach. This looks beautiful. We found this really pretty beach and we're just spending a couple of hours here. It's such a nice day and this water is so beautiful. We have found a place for lunch and I'm getting some calamari. Pedro's getting a pizza. Brach is really like Greece. Reminds us of Corfu. Cheers! Got a Greek salad to start us off. gotten back to Split now after a really nice day. It was so pretty, we really loved it. And now we are going to wander around the city again. Such a beautiful sunset. We did something really cute. We got matching Birkenstocks.
Very good.
I don't know. Good morning and happy Thursday. Today we are going to the island of Hvar. It's Thursday. This week is going too quickly. Getting on another ferry. All we do is get on ferries.
Yeah.
Today we basically walked the entire island of Brach.
On the highway.
On the highway. So today we're going to hopefully not walk the whole place. We're gonna see if we need to hire quad bikes, which will be really fun, but no walking the whole place. Not the best name for the ship right now. We have made it to Hvar, another beautiful island. We're renting a quad bike. This is gonna be so much fun. It was so much fun. It was quite scary going on the edge though. Was like no railing on the side.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But the views were insane. It was so much fun. Such a nice way to get around the island. We have come to Vita Bar to have some lunch. It's been so much fun having the quad bike. It's so worth it because the other beaches are like quite far. So it's been definitely worth it. The prettiest sunset right now. It just makes me so happy. We are walking to our last dinner in Split. We're going to a place called Gentile Kitchen and Wine. It looks really pretty. Go back home and then we've got another early morning ferry back to Dubrovnik. We have made it back to Dubrovnik after a long ferry ride. It's our last day here in Croatia. Well, we leave tomorrow, but very sad times. But we are at our new Airbnb where we're staying for the night, and the view is just unbelievable. I mean, that is incredible. So we are going to spend the rest of the afternoon at the beach. We just had to do our antigen test, and now we're going to go enjoy the water. And this is our little Airbnb. We are going to the supermarket now to get some snacks for the beach. The Airbnb reviews mentioned this very steep hill. Doesn't look that bad, but it's very steep. We are just sitting on our balcony, but we're just enjoying the evening. But we're going to Old Town soon to have some dinner, and it's just been such a nice trip. I feel so lucky and so blessed. We are on our way now to our last dinner. We found a Japanese place where we're gonna get some sushi. It's a 28-minute walk, so be prepared to walk up these hills. But excited for some sushi. We both got mint chocolate chip ice cream. He said it was homemade. This is the yummiest ice cream. We've just gotten back from our last dinner, and it was so nice. And we had a really, really yummy ice cream. And now we are going to go to sleep and wake up early to go have one last little swim in the sea. Good morning and happy Saturday, except it's a bit of a sad Saturday because we are leaving today. We are going to find our bus and make our way to the airport, but we managed to get a last trip to the beach. Pedro had one last swim, it was too cold for me.